Math Standard 8.f.a.1. Which table of values can be defined by the function y equal to 4x minus 2? Now, if you will analyze this equation, this one is in a form of slope-intercept, y equal to mx plus b. So we can just simply determine the value of the slope, which is the number in front of the x, and the y-intercept, where the value of x is equal to 0. So let's check it. So y equal to 4x minus 2. So given this equation, the value of the slope is equal to 4. And the y-intercept, or the b, is equal to negative 2. Now remember, when we say y-intercept, the value of x is equal to 0. So if b is negative 2, the coordinate of the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. So this will be your x, this will be your y. Now let's look on the table if we can find this ordered pair, 0, negative 2. Alright, let's check letter A. 0 on x, negative 2 on y. So they are the same. So we can check this one right here. Now let's check for letter B. 0, negative 2. The 0 here has a y equal 4. So this is not the answer. Next. So there's no 0 here. Alright, but we can verify later on in solving for the slope. For letter D, the 0 on x is equal to positive 2. But this one is negative. So this is not the answer. Alright, now let us verify if this table can give us a slope that is equal to 4. Now, this one is non-proportional. So in solving for the slope, we will use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, now you can choose any ordered pair on this table to solve for the slope. Alright, so I'll just use the first two. So let's say this is my first x, alright, my first y, second x, and then my second y. Alright, I will simply apply the formula. So let's do it. So y2 is negative 10, negative 10 minus 18. So minus negative 18. Alright, I use the parenthesis to keep the negative symbol. So y2 minus y1. The same thing for the x. That's going to be negative 2 for x2 minus negative 4. Alright, so now we can solve it. This will become negative 10 plus 18, because negative times negative is positive, all over negative 2 plus 4. Same thing, negative times negative is positive. So negative 10 plus 18 is positive 8. And then negative 2 plus 4 is equal to positive 2. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So therefore, they are the same. The slope is equal to 4. So we can say that the correct answer here is letter A. Alright? Now we can still test the second one, but as you can see, the numbers are different. Alright? But we can test. So this will be x1, x2, y1, y2. Alright? So if I will solve the slope, that's going to be negative 1 minus negative 2 over negative 6 minus negative 10. Alright? Now, this is equal to what? Negative 1 plus 2, then negative 6 plus 10. So this is equal to what? 1 over 4. So this is not the answer. Alright? This is equal to 1 over 4. So therefore, this is not the answer. Alright?